Nathan here and my brother here.
Today we're playing Flood Escape.
Yeah!
Yeah, we're gonna get some floods. It's just loading my game.
Yeah.
My game's way slow.
Yeah, way slow,
I know how to play Flood Escape.
Yeah.
I see videos.
Videos,
played on this.
Yeah.
Hello. Wait.
Hello?
Guide. Wait, I don't want to be.
Okay, guys, let's get started. Okay, let's go in here.
Let's do easy first.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, it's different.
But yeah, it's good.
Easy. Let's go in.
Easy first. So
Yeah, guys.
we'll cut until we finish.
Okay. So guys, we're not.
We're gonna do the flood.
What's happening?
No. Escape the facility. Shoot, it's glitchy.
Oh no, guys, let's get out of here.
It's gonna flood.
Ah!
It's flooding.
Ah! Where to get it?
Oh, I died instantly.
Oh no, my brother
too
died.
glitchy.
No.
It's too glitchy.
Hey! That guy just pushed me off, guys.
It's too glitchy.
Bad guy. He's a bad guy.
It's too glitchy.
Guys, that guy just pushed me off. Bad guy.
It's too glitchy.
Yeah, guys, that guy's a bad boy. Guys, I can't jump. Look at.
It's too glitchy.
I can't jump.
I don't know why it's like this.
Oh, never mind. Guys, that's the worst. That guy just pushed me. Guys, I'm mad. I'm gonna skip this again.
Just go.
Guys, it's
We're
not
about to do the flood. I'm just gonna.
Yeah, we're about to do this to the flood. Guys, we're about to do the flood. Let's go.
Begin.
Begin.
I'm gonna glitch up, guys. Oh, my arm hurts. So it's the facility. Anyone going? They're going this way.
Go on this way. Come on, let's go. Whoa, don't push me.
Sorry.
No.
Sorry, I was too slow.
Guys, 2 people pushed me off.
And one of them's me.
Yeah.
I should be ashamed. Where do we go from here?
Guys, we started to do training. We're doing training.
Hey.
Guys, one at a time. Ugh.
No,
Oh,
2 at a
I
time.
died.
Oh, I jumped.
Oh, I died again, guys.
Wachima.
Oh.
Wachima.
Here.
Oh, you.
Ha.
Pusaduta.
Hey. Ruti mariti.
One at a time.
Okay.
Patience. Oh.
Patience, Lungling. I keep falling down. Why do I have to keep falling down? Yeah. No.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, he said, training. Oh, I finished training.
Here.
I'll do the next training.
Oh, wait for me.
I haven't done yet. I'm doing this training.
Hey.
Ooh, cold cracking.
Here. 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 Yes. Guys, I'm not in here. 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 Yes, I did it. Yes. Lynn, I'm gonna help you, okay? Okay. Cold cracks.
You have to crack every screen. It's good.
Yes, I got one right.
Okay. Oh, I think I know the pattern. How do we click?
I'll do it.
It's glitching.
I can't do this one. Oh, there you go.
Glitchy. I can't do that training.
No, I'm doing it for you.
Okay. I'll do it. I'll do it. Okay, this. Put this. Put this in there. Oh,
Get in.
let's go in.
I know.
Oh, I don't.
Let's do the code. You do the code.
Okay.
If you do that one, I do that one. Okay.
It's
I got one right.
changed.
I got one right.
I'm doing this one. I'm doing this one, or else
Okay.
I'm not getting it.
I'm done. I see you can't see other people's codes.
Okay.
I had cracked codes. Guys, I have cracked the codes.
Can you show me your code?
Look, just two. Now try your one.
It's not it.
What are you doing?
It's different.
Mine was green. Mine's green. Your one's weird. Mine was green.
Yeah, I'm failing.
Did I click that? What happened?
Guys, I'm not doing it.
Guys, what happened when I clicked that? Oh yes! I was gonna say.
Okay, I think I'm ready.
Me too, guys. Let's go and do this.
You go. I was saying.
Yeah, at the training.
I think I'm ready to face the real world.
Oh yeah. Ninja acid. Hiya! Oh, it's full. Guys, let's do hard. Yeah.
He's gonna
Hard. Begin. Oh my goodness.
Oh shoot. Where do we go? Up here? You go up there.
Look, we need to do this. Got it, that one. Huh.
Oh, how do we get that
Huh.
one? Flooded.
Yes, got
Where
one.
do we go? Do we have to go all the way up
Oh, yeah. We might be too late.
there? No, we might. Okay, we are. Okay.
Guys, we are too late.
Flooded.
Guys, he's flooded.
Lost.
Oh no, guys, we lost.
That's too fast.
Yeah.
Okay, that was a bad decision.
Guys, that was a bad decision.
Maybe we should end it off until we get more practice.
Yeah.
So I'll see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.
Bye.